turning busyness into productivity. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to turn nervous energy, which is usually just busyness, into real productivity. It's easy to go about your day busy. However, sometimes being busy leads us into this cycle where we don't really get anything done. We might go to work and get things done there, but the busyness of our mind when we return home doesn't allow us to be productive ourselves. So, how can we change that? I'm going to give you some simple tips. Know your objectives. If you don't have goals, productivity basically ceases to exist. Start your day by thinking of exactly what needs to be accomplished. Make a list of specific things and try not to be vague, as this can also make you not as productive as you can be. Make your goals for the week and the month. This allows you to see exactly what you need to get done and lets you get working in the right direction. Know what is a priority. Some tasks are more important than others. When making your list of things to do, try to do the most important ones first. What do you need to get done right now? What has to be done today? Start the day by doing the most important things. If you're limited on time, choose the most important tasks, then do the other ones as time allows. Learn to say no. Sometimes you have to say no. If your schedule is too full and you can't commit to doing something else, tell the person a polite but firm no. This means you won't come across as rude, but they know you are serious. Trying to say yes and please everyone is tempting, but it never ends well. If you doubt you have the time to do something, say no. Delegate if possible. If you're suffering from busyness without productivity in the workplace, try to delegate the tasks if you can. There are certain things you will need to do on your own, but sometimes you can give the tasks out to other people to help them get done sooner. Try to give out tasks to employees so that you can work as a team towards one goal. This allows others to work together and be productive towards the same task. Before handing out tasks, make sure the person has the motivation and skills to be successful in what you're telling them to do. If you give the task to someone less qualified, you create more stress by worrying about the job not being done well. If you find that people are not trained enough, consider doing a training program. This will take time, but it will save you time in the end. Focus. You don't have to multitask all the time. While multitasking is often seen as a skill, it's not always practical or good. If there are tasks that need to be done right away, focus only on those tasks. Don't try to add more duties or another task until you finish the first one. The focus will allow you to get things done more quickly. Think about what is most important. What do you need to do today to make you feel like you accomplished something? Whatever it is, do it now. Do it at the beginning of your day so that you feel like you really did something important. I hope these simple tips will help you turn a busy lifestyle into a life that is productive and meaningful. Implementing these tips might be hard at the beginning, but you will learn more as time goes on.